Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about the methods of array in Ruby. Now we will see the practicals how to add element to an existing array. Let me create our first array variable, suppose array, and I am assigning few values, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 are my values of an variable ARR. Let me print it out, and here we have output. Now I want to add one array element to the end of the array. So for that, one array method is used, that is push. So array variable name dot push, and it will take one argument, that the variable we need to push. Suppose let me say I want to push an element 6, and it will push one array element 6 to the end of the array. Here you can see it has added 6 as the end of the array. Suppose I want to add one new array element 7 to the end of the array. So for that, one another method we can use is array and double less than sign and my value that I need to insert into my array. Let me say 7, and this will add a new value 7 to the end of my array. Now suppose I want to add a value to the start, to the beginning of my array. So for that we are using one method that is called Unshift. So for using that method, I need to write my array variable name dot unshift method, and I need to pass one argument, the value that I need to push. Suppose I want to push a value 0 to the beginning of my array, and this will return this value. Here we can see that 0 has been added to the start of my array, to the beginning of my array. Suppose I want to insert a new element to my array on a specific location, on a specific position. In this case, we will use insert method. This insert method will take two parameters. Suppose here in my array, I want to insert a new value on the 5th location. So insert and my parameter, suppose 4, and the value that I need to insert, let me say learn1, and this will add a value learn1 on the 4th position. So actually index starts from 0, so our value will be available on the 5th position. So we can say 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the 4 values, and our 5th value that we just have inserted, that is learn1. So this is how we can add values to our existing array. In next lecture, we will learn about how to remove an element from array in Ruby.